For too long, we have believed the lie that the anthem of our life is insignificant. We think to ourselves, I'm just one note or one chord in a world of noise. How can my song change anything? The Father is calling out to His children. Will you pick up the instrument I have given you? Will you release your song? Will you give your unique voice to me? Watch how I will magnify your sound into the nations to proclaim my love. As you lift up your song, your harmony is completing the ensemble. For there is a collective anthem rising in the earth of sons and daughters stepping into their calling, using their gifts to shout the love of the Father. They will resound His name to the corners of the earth. It is an orchestra of laid down lovers. A symphony that will usher in revival. A sound that the world cannot ignore. With every note rising and every voice proclaiming the majesty of our King. We will see the frequency of His kingdom cover the earth. Let the chorus of your life rise to magnify His name. For we are the sent ones. And now is our time.